Some of my subscribers don't like listening to the national broadcast of sporting events. I have a hack I think some of you will like. If you watch your TV with a 5.1 or 7.1 home theater system, disconnect your negative or black connection to your center channel speaker and wrap some electrical tape around the exposed wire to prevent damage to your receiver, and now practically all the dialogue is gone and only natural sound exists. It's almost like being at the stadium. If you need to hear the dialogue temporarily, just hit the stereo button on your remote and dialogue will switch back to your left and right speakers.
Elijah Mitchell in for the first time tonight. Guess what? He's going to get it. Mitchell searching forward. Touchdown!